Most people don't realize this alarming signs of a one-sided relationship. Check if these 6 signs are showing up in your relationship or not. Hi beautiful souls, I am Mithika. Welcome to my channel Divine Healing. 6 signs of one-sided relationship. Check if these 6 signs are showing up in your relationship or not. This will give you a guidance whether you are doing it too much in the relationship or not. Let's start with number 1. Emotional neglect. You want somebody emotionally. Of course, when it is a relationship, you want emotional connection, but you are constantly neglected. Your emotional needs are neglected. But on the other side, you are taking care of everything, their emotional, spiritual, physical, every need. That's a sign when somebody is not reciprocating your emotional need. It is a big time sign that it is a one-sided relationship. That person is only taking from you. He or she is just taking your emotional support, emotional everything, but they are not giving it to you. This is very important to notice. Number 2, you have lower self-esteem with them. When you're with a partner where you feel you have lower self-esteem, this is where your partner never pull you up. They make themselves bigger and you lower. In a balanced relationship, if one partner has a low self-esteem, the other partner will constantly try to pull them up. But in some relationship, if one having low self-esteem and the other is okay, they feed on this person. They demoralize them. They diminish them. They make them small. They feed on their low esteem. This is where you have to understand this relationship is not going anywhere, and if it turned out into something legal, marriage, you will face this thing throughout your life where you will be diminished, demoralized and whatnot. So, low self-esteem. If you're having low self-esteem and your partner is feeding on it, that's a sign of a one-sided relationship. Number 3, assess reciprocity. Take a pen and paper and write down what you give versus what you receive. This will give you a clear picture in your relationship, whether it is a one-sided or whether it is a balanced relationship. This is the simplest thing that you can do. Just write down what you give in this relationship, emotionally, mentally, physically and whatnot, and what they give you emotionally, physically, mentally, whatnot. And when you will see, make a column, and when you will see there's a disbalance, you will understand this is a one-sided relationship. Clear picture, easy method, try it. The reason why you should try is that you deserve the best. Why you are settling for less? Until you realize that you deserve best, you deserve more, you deserve both-sided love. Until you stop compromising, you will never receive that love, and you will keep on compromising and you will keep on surviving yourself in this one-sided relationship. Number 5, when you're in a relationship, observe their effort. It's very important to observe the effort of your partner. For example, if they cancel plans, if they don't take care of your emotional needs, if they don't show up, and they only show up when they need you, it's time to reconsider. This is not a partner you need to go forward in life. This is something you are constantly giving and they are constantly taking. This is just a give and take relationship. There is no balance. You still have better options and choice in life to go forward with. This will give you a clear indication that this is a one-sided relationship. And last but not least, number 6, have an open conversation with them. Tell them whatever you're feeling. Just show them that these are the things I am doing for you and these are the things you are doing for me or not doing for me. Have an open conversation. Just tell them these are the things we should improve in our relationship. And just observe, are they taking any action towards it or it's the same thing? Because sometimes we have to give relationship chances. And the best way is to talk about it openly and observe. When a partner will understand your issues, maybe they're not being able to figure it out. Sometimes some partner not being able to figure it out that this person is feeling imbalance in the relationship. I am taking, and she's just giving. I'm not giving anything. Sometimes they don't realize, maybe people have issues of past, but when you remind them, see, you're doing this, okay, and we should come to a balance. If still they don't take actions, if still they take you for granted, it's time to reconsider. It's a big sign that it's a one-sided relationship. So if you find any of this or some of this, have a conversation with your partner, observe them for some time, and consider. Because you deserve best. You deserve the better. Until you believe that you deserve the best, you deserve the better, you deserve a fulfilling relationship, it will not show up in your relationship. Maybe when you start believing that I deserve better, I don't deserve a one-sided relationship, this person might change. You never know. Because you're compromising, life will give you compromised things only. Life will throw you compromised partners where you have to make compromise. When you will show life, no, I deserve better, I deserve more, I deserve equal give and take. Life will give you a partner who will give you equal give and take. Maybe this person will change into an equal give and take partner. And when you realized it, okay, I deserve this, and still this person is not changing, this is not for you. This person is not for you. There is someone who will balance with your giving and taking. And that's how you'll understand who to go forward in life. Selecting a partner is a big decision in life. Do not hurry. Observe. See what is going wrong. See which pattern is repeated. See how things are getting balanced. And then take the bigger decisions. Otherwise, you will keep on suffering. You will keep on having this mindset that, oh, relationship is so difficult. Because you never took the responsibility to work on yourself and on the concept of relationship. That was today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video will help you. If you're watching me for the first time, do subscribe this channel, like this video, share this with someone who need to watch it. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.